Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to create a simple calculator and we can perform following simple mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplications and division. So to perform these operations, before going to write the code to create this simple calculator in Python, let us see how this Python calculator works first of all. I am performing addition operations. 12 plus 45 which is equal to 57, as well as we can able to clear or reset the field. I want to perform subtraction. 45 minus 23, 45, sorry, I made mistake. So here 45 minus 23 which is equal to 22. 4 into 11, clear 4, clear 4 into 12 which is equal to 48. So clear the field. 78 by divide by 7 which is equal to 11.14, and finally we can able to clear the field. So 77.89 minus 44.56 which is equal to 33.33. So we'll see how to create this simple calculator, and now we'll start writing the codes for making this simple calculator. To create this simple calculator, we have to do four things. So those things are, first of all, we need to import Tkinter library, and after importing Tkinter library, we need to create main interface, or you can call window for your calculator. So after creating the window for calculator, we can able to add the widgets to the main window, and at last we'll apply the events. So let us proceed for creating the simple calculator. Let us create a project in Pycharm. Here I am using the Python version is Python 3.0, okay, and as well as I am using Pycharm IDE, okay, fine boss. So let us start creating the Python simple calculator. So file menu, new project. So I am using here, I am giving the name as a mycalc. Hit create. I want to create a new window. So project created. So let me add new Python. So right click, new Python file, give the name as my calculator, hit OK. Now here we'll start writing the code. So here Python simple calculator, First of all, we need to import the Tkinter library. So how do I import? I can import from Tkinter import all. So imported. Let us create the frame first. So before creating the frame, let me add my class. So create a class. I'm giving the name as a my calculator, and I'm passing the super class as a frame. And here let me add my default constructor. So add the constructor. So here is def underscore init underscore self, and under this let me add frame frame, let me call the constructor and pass here self. So frame is added. Now let me add the options. Options underscore add. Let me add here font first of all. So here is font, comma. Let me add the font name, Arial, and font size, suppose 32 or 31, and let me make it bold. Or you can go for italic also. Self. Let me pack the contents. Pack. Here I want to expand. Expand, and let me fill the contents to both sides. Okay boss, let me add here self, the master. I need to add the title here. So title, so the title is my calculator, my simple calculator. Okay, this is my frame is created now. Now let me call in loop. To call in loop, let me check if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to, let me pass here underscore underscore main underscore underscore colon, and call the constructor main loop. Okay boss, now simply run. So here is my calculator frame is created. Now in this my calculator frame, let us add the widgets. Let us add the widgets. Okay boss, fine. Later on we'll expand. So close this my calculator and let me add remaining stuff. Let me add the frame and all the stuff. So here let me add the number values widgets. So here let us add number input widget for values. So let us add now. So let me take one variable, display string var, and we go for entry self. I need here relief ridge. Then let me go for text variable, and to go for display. Let me justify to the right side. After justifying, let me add the border approximately 15 or 17. Suppose 15 is also enough, 17 also enough. After adding the border, let me add the next background color. So background, you can go for color also or hexadecimal code also. So 000, and to go for this normal color, but it should be in string. So double quote. Let me pack the content, pack at side. I want to keep this as a top. Then let me expand. Let me make it S and fill both sides. Okay boss, fine. So up to here, expanded, fine. So hit enter, but control S, so run. It will show the error definitely because entry itself is required. Let me close the existing calculator. Close this code also. My system is getting stuck. I have to wait. Expecting to call self here. String var. So I can call here self dot. Display string var. Otherwise I can have my open existing code. Open. Home. Just close this. Open recent. So as well as I can add this code here also. And this error, let me goes off and run the application. Right click, run my calculator. So it displays your input widget. So here I added, let me show you once again. So display string var, self, relief ridge, text variable display, justify right, border 15, background color, pack side top, expand yes, and then fill both. Okay boss, fine. So as well as you can use some color also if you are not happy with this, like if you are not happy to go with this codes, suppose you want to use white color, you can use this code. Right click, run. So this is white color, this is also white color, you can see here white color. Okay, fine. Next I want to change to black or pure green. You can go for pure green, and if you wish to go for cyan color, you can change to cyan color also. So here 0 0 4 times F. So let me run. Right click, run in my calculator, and this is cyan color. Okay, fine. Okay boss, so this is my widget has been added, input widget. Let us add now buttons, a common code to be added. So first of all, let us create the frame. So frame, let me add here source, comma, let me add the side also, and here let me get the object, get the frame, and here let me pass here source. Before creating the source, you can add the buttons also. So we need to create the buttons. So def, let me add here button, my own button. Here I need source, site, I need the label, and command initial let me set as a none. And here also I need object. For this object, let me add the button. For this button, I need source, I need text, command as a command. Then for this object, let me pack. First of all, I need to set the side at side and expand this as true and fill the both side. Let me return this object. Okay boss, button is created now. Let us create now frame, and in this source I need border, with suppose 4, 5. Let me add border as a 5, comma background, can use here yellow, and I need my object to be packed. For packing, I can go for this. And let me return object. Okay, so here object is written now. Now after this is a common code. Next, just run the application, and first of all let me close the existing application. This is for C, and let us add remaining points. So let's add, let me go for clear button. For clear button in I'm using some name, so here let me go for erase. Stop this erase, clear, get the frame, self, keep it at top. For let me get each character in my clear button. To be pass here, first of all I need clear, then I need position left, then let me do the label. There are reset. Okay boss, fine. Let me add lambda object. Here's the display object, and object to the Let me set empty. Okay boss, fine. Let's run. Now this is clear button. And event also. Okay boss, fine. Okay. Fine, it's working now. Let us add number and plus, comma minus, comma multiplication, comma division button. Number like, okay, fine. Now let's go for the next work. So here for n button, let me go for first plus symbol 1 2 3, comma, let me go for now minus symbol 4 5 6, multiplication symbol 7 8 9, and I need division dot and 0. So after this, as well as I need equal is not required. Fine, we'll add somewhat like mod operation also. We'll implement mod also. Let us see now. So fnum. So let me get the frame. I need same frame. So here, let me keep at the top. And for this I need equal. I'll go for num button. So button, let me add here fnum. Let me keep it left. And I equals, I need I equals, then this is my I equals, then I need lambda. So here is my object display. Then q, I don't need here IC. So here I need IE. Let me set, and here I have to go with the store object. Instead of the store object, I can go with the lambda object. Let me get the value. So here get the value plus, so here add q. Okay, fine. So save and run the code. So here I pass 5 arguments. Let me check it here. First of all, I need name, fnum, then I need position, then I don't need this position, clear reset. So here is my I equals. It happens because of copy and paste. So run the code. So this code will look like, let me delete my existing one. So this is the old, and delete the existing, close this existing window, and in this way I can able to do my code. I can able to get the values. Okay boss, fine. So I think here I added space, so let me remove the space removed, and let me show you once again. And see the application. The space has been gone, space button. Sorry. Now let us add the code for equal button. So here equal button, I need frame. So here I need to pass current class reference and position at the top. So for equal, for equal, and let me go for now, let me check, is it equal to equal? If it is equal, if it is equal to equal, then I need button I equal, let me add the button and call the button reference. So let me call here equal button, let me pass the position left, and then so here is I equal. Okay boss, now next let me go for binding. Bind and bind with the button release. let me go for comma, then lambda in self, and in object display colon yes. Store is object, let me get the value plus s. Okay, fine. Let me go for now else part. Assign to button, pass here references as a equal button, position left, equal comma, let me pass the lambda object let me get the string, and here to get the string percent yes, percent let me get the object, set here the values, I need plus yes. Okay boss, fine. Then let us apply the event. On equal button, so here the event is, let me get my calc. So here is my calc. Let me pass here current class reference as a self and call here display label, what to be display. Let me keep in try block, as well as I need accept. So display dot, let me set the value, so here expression value, so here display dot get off, fine. The accept I don't need here, so here simply I will keep error. Okay, boss, fine. Okay, boss. So let me see what this, and finally run the calculator. So this is the calculator that you can see here. 1 plus 2. So it shows has no attribute calc. Let me check my calc where I applied calc. So here is my calc. Yes, same. Here I don't need here. Get method. Simply object. I can pass here as a message, as a plus. Okay, fine. So here is my I equal, which is equal to, so do correction here. So display colon yes dot calc, pass your object and give the reference as a plus, as a label, and here I need to set here. Fine. I equal object dot set your object dot get off dot yes. Okay, boss, fine. So let us try. Let me close existing, run my calculator. So 1 plus 2, no attribute calc. Why it is telling that no attribute calc? Okay, this is within the constructor. Let me go out and keep it outside. And then try again. So save the code, run the application. 1 plus 2. So it is saying that it takes calc takes two position arguments as object so this is object set object dot get. Fine, I can use, instead of this I can use the code here to work with my calculator. So get this code. So let's see here, equal button frame in S, equal button I equal lambda S assigned to self, store object calc store object plus, okay, fine. And here button equal left I equal lambda store object display yes equal store set to this store object yes get. Okay boss, fine. So just run the application. Now you can see here 1 plus 2 will get 3. So let me clear the fields. 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Clear the field. 4 into 8 32. 4 divided by 7 46. Then clear. Let's go for 4 minus 23 minus 19. So this is all about the code. So I did some modifications here. You can go for those modifications. You can see the code at the descriptions. Okay boss, fine. Suppose if you commit any mistake, so error, try again. Okay boss, fine. So let me go for clearing the field. One, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6 plus 7, 8, 9. So you can see here 7, 8 minus or plus 6 plus 7, 8, 9. Okay boss, thank you for watching.